All right, friends, so we're inside with Hagrid, and I want to show you our newest. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So it is Sunday, and it is our day to just kind of get stuff done on the homestead. My husband is home today, and this is our day to just kind of relax, have fun together, and do some stuff that I need help with. So we're gonna bring you along today as we get everything done that we need to get done on the homestead, as well as we are smoking some chicken today. All right, so we're gonna let that go for a few hours, and we're gonna start going down to the garden because there's a few things that we're gonna be doing over there today. All right, friends, so first things first is all these pumpkins and squash that we harvested. We've been giving a lot to the pigs as we go, but we need to get them off the side-by-side because we need the side-by-side today. We have a big project. So let's clear them off. Now we need to pull out the side-by-side, and we're gonna head down to the garden because we're gonna be doing something fun over there today. All right, friends, so we're down in the garden, and I need to do some things over here because we are going to put the pigs out in the garden to kind of eat up any of the foliage and just break it down for me. But first, I need to get all of these stakes out of the garden, as well as all of my flags that I had for every single plant that I had planted. I need to get in here and get all that out because I do not need the pigs hurting themselves with any of that stuff. So let's get in the garden and go ahead and clean it up. I do have my Brussels sprouts in here, so I will be harvesting all of my Brussels sprouts today, as well as cleaning up this garden. Brussels sprouts. Look at these. Huh? I have never grown Brussels sprouts. I hope they're as good as they look. All right, friends, so I went ahead and saved all of our okras, and these ones I'm gonna let dry out so that I can save the seeds on these. I hopefully turn out good. I saved seeds for okras back in California, and they did really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these in the back of the side-by-side and take them up to the pump house to let them dry properly. And then hopefully if I get quite a bit, I can do some giveaways with our okra seeds. All right, so next on our list of things to clean out in the garden before the pigs get in here is all of my metal flags. I do not need the pigs stabbing themselves in the eye with these flags. So we are gonna go, got caught on something. So we are gonna go take out any of the metal flags that we can find. We will work on the rest while the pigs are in here. All right, so these are the flags that I went ahead and took out. These are the metal ones. Definitely don't want these in here for the pigs. I got them all cleared out. My husband is working on the green beans, taking all of the string that I had for the green beans. He's working on getting those down right now. All right, friends, so our next step into letting the pigs into the garden is putting up this wire fence. We went ahead and took the chicken wire, and we are gonna put it around this one section right here from the barn to the gate, so that way the pigs can come from their area out into the garden and forage out there. Now we just got to set it up. All right, so we went ahead and got the fencing up. We only have one fencing, so for the other side we're going to be putting up welded wire and connecting it to the fence so that way they can't get out that way. But let's go put that side up right now. We're going to put some T-posts right there.
Oh, you have some, grab some, please.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, we'll put them in the middle so that way they can't push.
Yeah.
Very good idea.
But who eliminated the Dodgers this year? No.
Who?
San Diego Padres.
Oh, I was about to say the Padres.
Were you going to say it?
I was about to say the Padres.
Oh, this Casey goes, you will not believe who eliminated us.
right, friends, moment of truth. Now it's time to let the pigs out. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Let's see. Hey, girls.
And the brick right here.
Ain't going to go nowhere. Story's not going nowhere.
All right, friends, here we go. Hey, here they come. Here comes Minnie.
Come on. Come in, Mom. Come on.
I was hoping she would have knocked that over. She almost knocked it down, Dad.
All right.
Mama, come.
One's out. Petunia's still trying to figure it out. But Minnie over there,
Mimi. Mimi.
we'll see what happens with Miss Minnie.
Here, get shot. Look it.
It's not on.
Come on, Mimi. Come on, Mimi. You want to get him some, guide him over there? Katrina, she's looking like she's losing weight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put it back on there. Get a long hose. That one big hose.
It's too cold to wash them down now.
Yeah, it's too cold.
Good girl, Mama. Good girl.
Well, one has already gotten shocked by the electric fencing and then she quickly moved away, so that's a good sign. What do you think, Minnie? What do you think, Minnie? Minnie. Huh? Good girl. Good girl. Well, already Miss Petunia started digging a hole right here and almost got out through that fencing. So we're gonna have to reinforce that fence because now we know who our digger is, and that is Miss Petunia, and she is our biggest pig. She gets out, we ain't getting her back in. She's a lot of girl. So Miss Minnie is over there exploring and absolutely loving it, but Petunia will not leave this grassy area. We're trying to get her over there with Minnie and get her out of this area, and then we should be pretty good. All right, friends, so the pigs, as you can see, Miss Petunia is already back inside. Minnie came inside and they just both knocked out. They're not used to all that exercise, and they went from one end of the garden to the other, sniffing everything in sight. So they're back inside the barn, came in here by themselves, so they know this is home, and they went to sleep. And Minnie is already back out there. But, oh no, she's right there. I didn't see her. She's actually right here. All right, friends, but let's see how Hagrid is doing. All right, friends, so we're inside with Hagrid, and I want to show you our newest member of the family. We have another pig. All right, friends, so this is Hermione. She is our newest breeder pig. We are going to be using her as a breeder as well as the two girls back here. But our whole reason behind getting her is just in case. So while we were over there with Kaylee and she was telling us all about her breeding with her pigs, she had mentioned that at 9 months is what she had the best success for breeding her pigs. These girls are well over a year old, and I'm afraid that they might not take. So we got Hermione here. Hermione is going to be staying with Hagrid here until they can start breeding. And then we'll still put Hagrid with the other two and see if they breed. If they don't breed, then we'll have to change some things and make some decisions. So Hermione here is a sibling to Petunia and Minnie. And they came from the same farm, and we got a phone call from the breeder asking us if we wanted a pig. We were not planning on getting another pig. We were just going to use these two. But after thinking it over and my husband and I talking about it, we thought we just go ahead and get her just in case we cannot breed these two. I don't want to have to wait another 9 months to get a female and to get her up to age in order to breed her. So we're going to raise both Hagrid and Hermione together here in this pen, so that way they're friends, they know each other, and when it comes time to breed, they'll already be here together and they will hopefully do the business. But they already get along super well. They're playing. She is so cute. So cute. Well, he was already trying to do the business. You're too little. But that means he's going to be a good boar. So I'm excited. So that is why we have Miss Hermione. So she is in here. So she is a Hereford, a full Hereford. And then Mr. Hagrid is a Berkshire and Mangalitsa cross. So we will be having Mangalitsa, Berkshire, Hereford piglets, hopefully this time next year. Maybe even sooner. Definitely sooner, hopefully. But that is our new piglet, and this is all that's going on right now with our pigs. Our 2 girls back here and the 2 babies over here. Mr. Hagrid definitely has his work cut out for him. He's gonna be a busy boy. I have been doing a lot of sitting out here every day, getting them used to me so that they know that they can trust me and they can come up to me and not have to worry about anything. And I want them used to this camera because I'm going to be in here a lot with this camera and I want them to be like themselves. What we've noticed so far with Miss Hermione is that she has tons of personality. She is just running around here playing with stuff. So she is super cute. She is 4 weeks old. She's still very young. She was weaned from her mom, but she is still very young. So we are taking our time with her. And Mr. Hagrid is just over 7 weeks. I believe he's coming up on 8 weeks old. So he is much older than Miss Hermione. All right, friends. Thanks for stopping by the homestead. It was a lot of fun getting the pigs out onto pasture today, or AKA my garden. I was very concerned about doing that. There could have been a million things that went wrong, but fortunately, we just had one problem and we were here to jump on it and fix that problem. So until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Miss Petunia is enjoying the sun and loving this freedom.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?